How to create an account on Shakepay. Let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Shakepay login. Head over to the very first one, sign in. You will land on the official page of Shakepay. In order to enroll, tap on sign up at the bottom. Now choose a specific account that you want to create. Let me choose personal for now. So tap on personal. Now you will have to enter the username for your account and then enter the email address and also create a password. Once you have entered all the information, tap on sign up at the bottom. Now head over to your email address. You will be receiving this mail. Click on verify at the bottom of the screen. Choose any of the web browser. Now once again, click on confirm. Once the email has been verified, you will be good to go. Now go back and head over to your previous page. You need to click on continue and then your account will be created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.